Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we have another CNC part and we're going to do some comparison blasting on this so you can kind of see the difference. We're going to blast half of this in our wet blasting cabinet. We're going to blast this at probably going to be about 90 psi once we step on the pedal. And once we get this blasted, we'll show you what that looks like. Then we're going to actually do a comparison and use dry blast with glass bead. So let's get started on it and see what it's going to look like. From about here over, we've actually blasted with the wet blast, and you can see the contrasting difference between this rough, unfinished surface and this smooth surface with our wet blasting. So to give you a comparison, we're gonna go back and blast this side now using dry blast. Let's go take a look and see what that looks like. Okay guys, we are back with the part that we did the half and half on. When we ran the test under the microscope, both sides were so close that it's not even distinguishable between one side or the other as far as surface roughness. Now on our original part before it was actually blasted, there's a huge difference in the surface roughness. I will say that the dry is a little bit of a darker finish to where our wet side is a much higher gloss finish, and our dry side was actually starting to take away those burrs that were on there a little bit better with the glass bead, to where in a wet you're really not removing any type of burr using a glass bead. Those are our findings right now. If you've got any questions about this or any comments or concerns, give us a call, 828-220-4983. Thanks for watching.